Alright guys, we got a little bit different one for y'all today. We up here on the banks of Lake Ouachita in Arkansas. It's a beautiful lake, first time we've ever been on it. Up here doing a little crappie fishing. Rented a cabin up here at Highway 27 Fishing Village. It's a pretty nice place. I'll show y'all a little bit about our stay and the lake itself. We had a pretty nice cabin. These are the 2-bedroom cabins here. Had everything furnished, stove, refrigerator, utensils and everything on the inside. It's a pretty nice setup. We had a nice little spot out here, a little fire ring. Some pretty oak trees out here on the banks of the Lake Ouachita. It's kind of a little bit mountainous up here. They got boat slips here. If anybody wants like a stay up here and be able to keep your boat slip, we just tied ours up to the bank down here. We'll walk down here real quick, get in the boat, and may go catch a few fish. Pretty rocky up here. Some little short mountains up here in Arkansas that makes for pretty nice scenery up here. See, it's a little cove off the lake right here that we parked in, tied up here. Pretty nice place. We actually stayed 2 nights up here, Friday night and last night. We did a little fishing yesterday, had some storms and stuff. Sometimes we like to just relax and do some fishing. Y'all can see in the background right there is where we stayed, in a little cabin here at the Highway 27 Fishing Village. It's a pretty nice place. You can find them online. Real nice cabins. I don't have anything bad to say about them. It was pretty comfortable. Air conditions work good. Y'all can see up here on the lake you can get gas and everything, so that's pretty nice, convenient. Got fish cleaning shed right back up there. They got boat slots you can rent, keep your boat in there if you want to. This is just, if you've never been on Lake Ouachita, it's big. This is just one branch that goes up, and it's got these little mountains on the side of it, foothills, whatever you want to call them, but it's pretty up here. Big lake, open. What we found just looking around yesterday was there's fish scattered out in here. There's cedars up here, so there's a lot of cedar tops and things, and they're in those cedar tops or in standing timber. They're just scattered, suspended. This lake holds a lot of crappie, a lot of catfish up here. Catch and release. We always say we're gonna keep it real. This is keeping it real. Just battling through the struggles of life, trying to actually shoot a video. Drive 4 hours up here to shoot a video, and the trolling motor's acting up. So we're gonna get on a few fish, put a few in the boat, do the best we can. Yep, he bit. Yep. Already sees it. Stay up. Stay up. Pretty coming up in that water. Yeah, let's turn him back. We got fish. We're seeing a lot of little brush piles, and you'll see 5 or 6 fish on it like this right here. And you can just, up here it just seems like you can bring one of these sliders across the top edge. One of them's gonna normally come out of there and get it. Get them, girl. Bunch of fish in there. I don't know how many's in that top. I think you're right of it. You may still be on some fish. Got one. Got him. Put him up here, let's see. It's a nice Lake Ouachita white perch. Yep. You'll see there's a lot of hard work, especially are with a trolling motor that ain't working, so we're gonna keep him. We'll keep a few good ones. Alright guys, I'll show y'all what baits we're using in this video. Charlie Brewer sliders. We used our hand ties some, but not very much. Most of the fish we caught were on these two sliders right here, the chartreuse with the orange tail, and then the June bug and chartreuse. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up right here in the sunlight so you can see what these jigs look like. That's the jig that we were using shooting this video. Those two jigs. At this point, we are not sponsored by Charlie Brewer Slider. This is just one of the jigs that we fish all the time, so we're not getting nothing for saying this. I just like to let everybody know what we're catching our fish on. Pretty clear water up here. Nice one. Not monsters, but good eating fish up here. It's not bad fish. Not bad.
Get in the trolling motor.
Water's clear after the rain for some reason. Not bad. Not bad. Look at this. Here's something you don't catch every day. Heard some of them call that a magnolia crappie or something. I don't know. He's just got a black stripe down his nose. That's pretty cool. Look here underneath his chin too. He's got a black stripe. That's pretty cool. It's the first one of them I guess I've ever caught. We're gonna let him get bigger. Lake Ouachita, Arkansas fish. It's a nice one. Pretty healthy, thick fish, good ones. Pretty one. clear the water is. Oh, it's pretty.
Are you recording on the GoPro?
Let him go. A good one out on horsing. You might want to work the net too. He's coming at the boat. Reel up, reel up, reel up. He throwed slack in your line. Oh, he's good. Just flip him. Nice one.
Yep.
Pretty one, huh?
Yep.
Not bad. Got a few in the live well back there. Not bad. Real good eating size right here. About 3/4 pound fish. We fried up some last night for supper and they're pretty good. We had a pretty good time up here at Lake Ouachita. I'll show y'all a little bit about the setup up here. You know, it's a pretty nice deal here at Highway 27 Fishing Village. They got fish cleaning tables and all here with running water, electricity. So that's pretty nice. Just shoot your fish heads in there and goes out and feeds the turtles. The turtles is happy. They're sitting down there waiting right now on us. But we kept 13. We caught 20 or 25 this morning, threw some back. We kept 13, I think, just a few of the bigger ones. These weren't just giant fish up here. We caught some 1.5 pound fish yesterday. That was pretty nice. We don't know that the lake's just huge, so we just fished this upper end. Maybe if we'd have went down in the lower end of the lake, maybe the big part, maybe there would have been some bigger fish down there. I just don't know.
Turtles are waiting.
Cut these old ribs out. Nice bag of fillets right there. Hopefully we did it justice, showed y'all a little bit about it. That's going to be it for this one. God's Country Hunting and Fishing. Keeping it real.